Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Now next example. In this example, matrix A of order 2 by 3 is given to you and matrix B of order 3 by 2 is given to you. You have to show that A into B is non-singular. So if you look at the both matrices, the columns in A are equal to rows in B. That means matrix multiplication is confirmable, that is possible. So we will find what is A into B first. So take matrix A 4, 3, 2, minus 1, 2, 0 into 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2. Yes, now we will start the multiplication. First row, first column, 4 into 1 is 4, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. So first row with first column over. Now first row, second column, 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 0 is 0 and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Then second row, first column, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 0 into 1 is 0. Second row, second column, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 2 into 0 is 0 and 0 into minus 2 is 0. So first row, first column, first row, second column over, second row, first column and second row, second column over. So what do you get matrix A? We all know that order of matrix will be 2 into 2 because we are row 2 and column 2. So A into B will be equal to 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 4 is minus 4. Then minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 and minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay. After finding A into B, we have to prove that A into B is non-singular. Non-singular means we have to show that determinant of AB is not equal to 0. So first what we are going to do is we will find what is determinant of A into B. So determinant of A into B, so write the matrix in determinant form, solve it. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 3 into minus 4 is 12. So what is the answer? It is minus 18. So A into B is not true. A into B is not equal to 0. Therefore, A into B is non-singular. Clear? So first we have found out A into B, then determinant value we get minus 18, it is not equal to 0, therefore A into B is non-singular. Okay? So our next example is matrix A is given to us. We have to show that A square minus 4 into A is a scalar matrix. Okay? So first we will find out what is A square. A square means what? A square means A into A. So we have to multiply the matrix A 2 times, then we will get the value of A square. There is one property, last property I had taught you all, A raised to n. If n is positive integral, then we can multiply A that many times. Okay. So here we are using that property, A square is A into A. So write the matrix A into A now you know the system to multiply the matrices, row and column. First matrix we go row wise and second matrix we go column wise. So this is equal to first row 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 and again 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Now first row, second row. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Now first row, third column. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 1 is 2. column. So we have found out all the 3 elements. Now after finishing with the first row, we always move to the second row. So let us start with the second row and first column. 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. The first row, second row, first column is over. The second row, second column. 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1, and 2 into 2 here again 4. Okay. So second row, second column over. The second row, third column. So 2 2s are 4, 1 into 2 is 2, and 2 into 1 is 2. So second row with first column, second column and third column is over. So you get the second row. Now after finishing with the second row, we will move to the third row. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and again 1 into 2 is 2. The third row, first column over, third row, second column. 2 2s are 4, 2 into 1 is 2, and 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. Now say third row, last column. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are again 4, and 1 into 1 is 1. So what is your a square is equal to? 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9, 8, 8, this is again 8, this is 9, this is again 8, this is 8, 8 and 9. Okay. Now we have found out a square, then we will find what is 4 into a. So 4 into a means it will be 4 into matrix A. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Now multiply 4 to each element in this matrix. So what is your answer? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are again 8, then 4 2s are here 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then last row 8, 8 and 4. What is this? This is 4 into a. So we have found out a square, we have also found out 4 into a. Now we will find a square minus 4a. So a square minus 4a. So a square is 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8 and 8, 8, 9. Minus 4a is 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 8 and 8, 8, 4. So subtract the values. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. And again 0, 0, 0. 9 minus 4 is again 5. So what do you observe here? A square minus 4a is equal to 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0 and 0, 0, 5. What do you observe in this matrix? The diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. That means it is a scalar matrix. So you have proved that, therefore a square minus 4a is a scalar matrix. Okay, understood? The next example, find x and y. Find x and y. If 4 into this matrix minus this matrix into this matrix, if it is equivalent to x, y matrix. Okay. So first we will start solving this bracket. 4 into this we will find out first. 4 2s are 8. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 0 is 0. And 4 2s are 8. Minus this matrix. 3 minus 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. Close this bracket into 2 minus 1, 1. And this is equal to x, y. Okay. Now next step, first do the scalar multiplication inside. Always we first solve the bracket. Inside the bracket first I have done the scalar multiplication, that is I multiplied by 4 to this matrix. Now next is you have to solve this curly bracket, that is subtract these two matrices. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Then minus 4, minus of minus 3 means plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 and 12 minus 4 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and 8 minus 1 is 7. And this matrix 2 minus 1, 1 equal to x, y. Now you can see this is matrix multiplication. So we will multiply first row with first column. 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and 8 into 1 is 8. So first row first column over. There is only one column. So first row first column and then second row second column. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and 7 1s are 7. And this is equal to your x, y. Okay. So what answer finally you get here? 10 plus 1, 11 plus 8, 19. And this is 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 7 is 12. And this matrix is equal to matrix XY. So when you compare equality of matrices, we will use here. So from equality, we get x is 19 and y is equal to 12. Understood? First do the scalar multiplication here, then subtract these two matrices, then multiply these two matrices. After multiplication, you see equality of two matrices and then you get x 19 and y as 12. Okay? Now next example. Find x, y, z if 3 into this matrix minus 4 into this matrix into this matrix is equal to x minus 3, y minus 1 and 2z. So as how we solved the previous example, same procedure we will follow here. First we will solve the bracket. Inside the bracket we see the scalar multiplication. So first we will do the scalar multiplication. So 3 2s are 6. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0, 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are again here 6. Minus. Now here it is 4 into this matrix. So 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 1 again 4, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 3s are 12 and 4 into 1 is 4. Close the bracket. Into 1, 2 is equal to x minus 3 first row, y minus 1 second row and third row is 2z. So first always go to the scalar multiplication step first. Now inside the bracket it is subtraction of two matrices which we are going to do. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 0 minus of minus 4 means plus 4, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 6 minus 12 is minus 6 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is solving the curly bracket, that is subtraction of the two matrices. Then y minus 1 and third row is 2z. Now here you can see this is matrix multiplication, this matrix into this matrix. So first row we will multiply by first column. So 2 into 1 is 2, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Now here if you observe, order is 3 by 2 and here order is 2 by 1. So row and column are equal. What will be the order of new matrix? 3 into 1. So there will be 3 rows and only 1 column. So first row first column, then second row this column. 4 into 1, 4, minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Then Second row with this column is over. Move to the third row. Minus 6 into 1 is minus 6 and 2 2s are 4. So plus 4. This is equal to x minus 3, y minus 1 and 2z. So here you observe, first I did scalar multiplication, then subtraction and then matrix multiplication. Now we come to a stage where LH is equal to RHS. So by equality of matrices, what we get? 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So minus 6 equal to x minus 3. Then 4 minus 4 is 0 is equal to y minus 1. And minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 equal to 2z. So you get 3 equations. So solve the first equation. Take 3 on the other side. So what you get? X equal to minus 6 plus 3. So x equal to minus 3. Yes. Then y minus 1 equal to 0. So take 1 on the other side. You get y equal to 1. And 2 gets cancelled. And again you also get z equal to 1 from the minus 1 from the third equation. So what are your values? X equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1. This is your answer. Okay. So always solve the bracket, scalar multiplication, subtraction, multiplication of matrix, and then by equality of matrix you get 3 equations. Solve the 3 equations and you get 3 values as x equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1. Okay.